We have a story to tell you about trash. Because what originally was a plan to reduce our city's waste has blossomed into a mission of international interest, creating a community of opportunity for Phoenix and beyond. Opportunities for education, collaboration, and innovation. Opportunities that could change our quality of life and our environment. Opportunities that invite economic development and entice the entrepreneurial spirit. Opportunities for residents to transform trash into valuable resources. All of this is possible if we just reimagine a more sustainable Phoenix. Recently, we put out a call for innovators, or a CFI, and a request for proposals, or an RFP, to get industry input about waste-to-product technologies and to identify and partner with businesses and industries ready to turn waste to new products and energy. These profit and not-for-profit organizations will be housed at our Resource Innovation Campus with access to our commodities. And then we have 50 acres of vacant land, outlined in red, ready to be leased at attractive rates to entice businesses and manufacturers. Here's where we plan to house incubators for emerging technologies. We hope to develop this land into an internationally renowned resource cluster focusing on a circular economy and byproduct synergies. We ask business groups like the Arizona Small Business Association, the Green Chamber, Local First Arizona, GPEC, and the Arizona Commerce Authority, as well as local nonprofits. What if? What if the city took the money we currently spend to landfill these items and instead use that money and those items to create economic activity? With more than 100 people at a recent pre-proposal meeting and a webinar about the CFI and RFP, our vision of the Resource Innovation Campus is clearly evolving into a true community of opportunity. And there is no doubt that our focus on innovation is attracting the best and the brightest. Supporting the Resource Innovation Campus is the city's partnership with Arizona State University's Resource Innovation and Solutions Network, or RISN, that will be headquartered there. RISN is a global program with a hub in Nigeria and Guatemala, with others planned in the Netherlands, the Virgin Islands, and several locations across the U.S. RISN will manage the on-site Technology Solutions Incubator, where emerging technologies and manufacturing processes will develop. RISN can offer support and technical services to partners and provide access to top sustainability researchers and experts. The city, along with RISN, will research and develop resource management solutions, educate, encourage community engagement, and attract new technologies. Unquestionably, the crown jewel of this international initiative is Phoenix's Resource Innovation Campus. Reimagine Phoenix is more than a mission. It's about education, collaboration, and innovation. It's about creating enormous opportunities and successful partnerships. And it's about establishing Phoenix as a respected international leader in transforming trash into a valuable resource. And that's our story.